I'm about to start the timer.
Okay.
I'm really nervous.
I know, me too.
Okay. Okay. All right. Ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready. Go.
Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. Hey y'all, hey, it's Miko.
And I'm Patience from Haute Bella Experience.
And we are coming to you today with a new, exciting, fun challenge. It is the mother-daughter 10-minute makeup challenge.
10 minutes out the door.
So we are starting with a cleanse and moisturize and prime face. We are going to have the timer set for 10 minutes. We're going to have the stopwatch on and we're going to see how far we can get.
Yep.
We have not predetermined anything. We just have all the makeup laid out on the table here. And so, you ready?
Are you nervous?
A little bit. I hope I didn't forget anything.
Okay, if we forgot anything, we can just wing it.
Well, yeah, you're gonna have to because you only got 10 minutes to get done.
Okay, well, thanks for reminding me.
Okay. Yeah, so.
Alrighty.
Okay. I'm about to start the timer.
Okay.
I'm really nervous.
I know, me too.
Okay. Okay. All right. Ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready. Go.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. All right. I'm gonna put it in the middle so we can see the timer too.
Okay.
Okay.
How are we gonna do that?
I'm just gonna put it right here.
Okay.
So on the table.
Cool. Okay. Easy breezy.
Okay. Hold on. Move my stuff over. Okay.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ready? Go. I'm gonna start by priming my lids. Let me get this open. Using pen.
Are you talking products?
I mean, if I can get the information to the people, then that's all I'm gonna do. But if I can't, okay, I gotta remember I have contacts on. Be gentle with your eyes.
Okay.
Be gentle
Tear
with
the
your
contacts out.
Be gentle with your eyes. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. No, because I felt it kind of move off of the center. Okay, that's too long. It's been 35 seconds already. All right. So I'm going to go to transition color. I'm gonna use the Anastasia contour. What are you doing? What are you working on? What you doing?
My eyebrows. I have to start. I have to start with my eyebrows first.
Oh, okay.
Because that
This is not the brush that I needed at all.
that helps me frame my face
Okay.
or frame my eyes better.
Lovely.
Girl, you still digging for brushes?
Hey.
Okay.
I should clean this brush off. It's
Oh,
okay. It's gonna come off. It's gonna come together.
Oh,
This is coming off pink. I need that. I'm trying to get brown. Okay, that's all right. We're gonna do it. We're gonna. Yeah, this is going to come out fabulously already.
I hope these eyebrows ain't talking two different things.
Yeah. Cousins not. No,
Girl,
sisters not twins.
Girl, they're gonna be distant cousins.
You know, Facebook associates.
That's fast. That's cute.
Okay, so what am I doing next? Now I need to do. Okay, it's been a minute and 37 seconds. I'm taking too long. Okay, look. Skip. Where's this?
You skipping already?
No. Hey, I can't talk.
Okay,
Right
stop
now.
talking. Okay. But the talking, hey, the talking kind of makes it fun. It kind of takes the edge off. You know,
Yeah, it also take the seconds off.
Oh, okay.
The clock.
Good
Okay,
part,
let's
good
see.
part.
I need something I'm just gonna crease a little bit. I gotta give y'all something. So I'm gonna do it, gotta do it. Some brows, okay. What color? Okay, let's use Julia. We're gonna go in. That's pinky. I can't think about it. I just gotta go. Just gotta do
Girl,
it.
with 10 minutes, ain't no time. Think about what? What you thinking about?
I don't know. Okay.
You thinking about them 10
Need a
minutes?
lid color. Need a lid color. Okay, I'm gonna go in. Let's go in with this one. Oh, you got contacts on. Okay, what color was it? So you're going for a natural look? What are you doing?
Yeah, it is going to be a little bit more on the natural side.
Is the mic on?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
No worries. We got
All right.
this,
Let's go through this here. Oh, I like that you're coming up so confident. Let's see. I'm gonna go.
Girl, with 10 minutes, you better have some confidence.
I know, but you know.
You better have some confidence. Are you in trouble?
Go Okay. Oh my gosh, it's been 3 minutes already. Okay. Here we go.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, this is not good.
I'm using, what is this, Maybelline Fit Me, I think. I don't know what shade. Too much. Where's my little brush thing? Okay. It's a face.
I think we should have done the eyebrows ahead of time.
No. Where was all this confidence, this trash talk he was talking about last night?
Oh, I'm sorry.
So I'm saying, I don't even know. Let's do this around 3:43. Okay, let's do this. All that in.
Yeah, that lash idea. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Oh my gosh, all that done changed just like
Okay,
that.
already. And 3 minutes later, we have already extended.
Oh, we're actually 4 minutes and 13 seconds.
Oh yes, girl, that's off the list. That is off of the
It's
list.
gone?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh
Take it
yeah.
away, take it away, take it away. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's off the list.
Don't worry about closing that later. I need concealer. Oh, okay. This is NARS. Can you ready yet?
Girl, I'm still. You're not doing your eyebrows?
I can do my eyebrows when I usually do them. I don't do them at the beginning.
You don't?
I do them after. What do I do them? I think after, right before I spray my face or something. I can't think about it right
See,
now.
you
I'm
have
just
those
kinda
nice
doing
thick
something.
eyebrows, so you know I'm dealing with peach fuzz over here, so I got to do that. I got to, I got to do that.
Okay, now we're going over we got 5 minutes.
Wow.
Oh, I don't use this special one. I use this one. I've upgraded. This is a more beef. 5 minutes. Who's texting me? Okay.
Somebody texting me?
Yeah, don't matter. It's on vibrate.
Okay.
I'm feeling okay so far.
Oh, lucky you.
Okay.
I think you sabotaged me. Why show
How do I sabotage you? I don't do that.
Why is this paint pot
I don't really use it. But I keep it. It's closed and sealed. I use it every once in a
it's
while.
like 10 years old?
No. Well, no, it's not 10 years old.
Oh God.
How long
Okay.
have I had that?
Too long?
I think I've had it for a while. Does it go bad?
You know I can't stand her. She sabotaged me.
I did not
She sabotaged me.
No, I did not.
Look at this.
Uh-oh, wait a minute. 5:58. Oh. 6 minutes. You got 4 minutes.
Shamika.
Keep going.
Okay.
You get as far as you can.
Oh God. Okay.
Insert whistle.
All right.
Okay, now I need to sit. Taking the oozes. I can't think of anything. Well, I'm here. Here we go.
Okay.
Woo! 6:30. 3.5 minutes.
We already been in there this long?
Yes, ma'am.
Gosh. Okay.
Brush. Knock stuff over. Knock the bitches out the wall. Okay, let's put that back in front. Okay, waist. Okay. Is it now? Turn it off. 6:55. We got 3 minutes.
This ain't happening.
Yes, it is. Get
No,
as far as you
this
can.
is not happening
Get as
at
far as you
all.
can. Come on, come on. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Where's all that confidence?
Girl, it's gone.
Okay. Let's do it. Okay, now onto the blush. Oh, I need to do the contour powder. Not yet. This one. This one. Yes. Cup Girl Queen. You got 2.5 minutes. Keep going.
I'm mad already.
Why?
I'm just
So
mad.
you're talking about, oh, we have to keep going for a few hours and
I'm mad already. I'm telling
why? You gotta be moving. Gotta get moving. Okay, that's it. As far as you can. As far as you can. Where's my brush?
I'm not getting too far.
Huh?
I'm not getting too far. Girl, baby, no.
You can do it. You can do it. Woo, woo. Oh, I keep doing this. It's cutting off my time. No, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, got 2 minutes. It's
2
8 minutes.
minutes?
Yes. Doing the glow kit. I don't know which one this is called.
How did you get so far?
Cause I don't know. Maybe I'm just.
Good like that?
You said it. Oh, I just grabbed 2 different highlighters. It's okay. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I'm just putting stuff on my face. Okay.
This ain't working for me at all.
Let me get to the brows now. I'm going to the brows. 8:25. We got a minute and a half. I think the brows and some eyes. I think I'll be good.
This ain't gonna work.
Yes, you will.
This ain't working.
Okay.
This ain't working at all.
I can just outline. I need some liner. If I can spray my face, I would be happy. Okay. 8:44.
Something's wrong with your time.
It ain't that wrong with it.
It's not doing what it's supposed to be doing.
Oh, tracking time.
It's tracking time too fast.
Oh.
It's just doing it too fast, that's all.
Okay, let's just do that. 9 minutes, got less than a minute left.
Oh,
okay. Come on.
Girl, what am I bringing lashes out here for?
I don't.
Why did you even bring those out
Okay,
here?
here we go. Liner. 45 seconds.
They can forget it. Forget it. It's over. It's done.
Okay. Spray.
Spray? You done?
Nope.
You gonna put some lashes on?
I'm just gonna try to do some mascara real quick if I can. We got 20 seconds.
You went a lot faster than I did. I tried.
My face is still soaking wet. Oh my gosh. We got 10 seconds.
10 seconds?
9. 8. 7. I'm scared to do this. 6. 5. 4. I'm not gonna do it. 3. Lips on. 2. 1. Hey, you look good. I think you did a good job. I see the eyeshadow. You got your brows done. The face done. Okay, so what did you still have left?
Girl, all of this.
Okay, what did you get done? Let's
Okay,
say
so I was able to do.
it's 10.03. So I guess we were no, because I had to press it. So it really was truly 10 minutes.
Okay, so I was able to do my eyebrows. I was able to get a little bit of eyeshadow on, and line my eyes a little bit. I was able to do a little bit of foundation, even though the foundation is very, very light. And no lips. And the end.
Okay.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
I feel like that was the fastest 10 minutes.
I think it's because we're we're actually being timed.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, so this is what I did. I did my eyeshadow. I did the foundation, the concealer. I did cream contour, set underneath the eyes. Set my face with the powder.
I did do a little bit of setup under my eyes too, but still, it's like not. Go ahead.
Set underneath the powder.
Set underneath the powder.
I'm sorry. Set underneath my eyes the powder. And then I did the powder bronzer on top of the contour. I did blush, a little bit of highlight somewhere up in there.
Did you do your eyebrows?
I did try to do something to my eyebrows real quick, yeah. I put some of this, what is this?
See, but you...
Goof Proof.
Okay, see, that's not fair because you already have eyebrows. Like I said, I have peach fuzz. So I spent the majority of my time, I think, on my eyebrows.
But you knew you had the same 10 minutes I did.
True.
Okay, so I used the Goof Proof. I like this one because it has an angle, so I can just kind of, so I focus on, if I could just outline it and then just put a little bit. I didn't get to spool it. Did I spool it a little bit? I think I did. And then I put on some eyeliner. I sprayed my face with the Mario Badescu.
You touched everything, basically.
And then I was able to put one swipe of lips.
And she, uno, okay?
So, I hope you enjoyed the 10-minute Mother Dollar Makeup Challenge.
Yeah, this was fun.
Yeah, if you decide to do this, please use the tag. What tag are we going to use?
10-minute makeup challenge?
It's got to say Mother-Daughter somewhere in there.
Mother-daughter 10-minute makeup challenge? Too
That
long?
is like really long.
We'll figure it out.
It's got to be in the video.
Okay, well.
Mother-daughter, MU challenge?
There you go.
MU? Okay.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out. Look in the description box below.
Yeah.
So, you are also a YouTuber, correct?
I am.
Can you tell us a little bit about what your channel is about?
So, Haute Bella Experience is a channel that is dedicated to women with mature skin, because as you can clearly see in this little demonstration here, that for mature skin, sometimes there are, we can use some of the same products, but we have to use it a little bit differently in order for it to work out for us. So that's what my channel is all about. I have tips and tricks. It shows you how to do different makeup techniques that work well for us mature makeup.
What's the name of your channel?
Haute Bella Experience. Haute, Bella, B-L-L-A, and then the word experience.
Okay, and your Instagram and Facebook is the same?
It's all the same.
Cool. Details will be in the description box below. Make sure you follow, like, and subscribe her channel.
Yep.
Hit the bell to get the notifications. Same thing for me, On the Go with Miko. My Instagram, Facebook, all the same. It's going to be OTG with Miko, M-I-K-O. Otherwise, that's it for today. Until next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. This has been one of the most humiliating experiences. Wow. I didn't touch,
you didn't touch it? No, you touched the eyeshadow.
No, I didn't.
You didn't? What did you say? Oh, you just had the painterly on there.
Painterly, and then this is, yeah. And then I used this highlighter and this palette for my lid.
Okay. It looks like it was a look.
I don't know how to take that. I don't know what kind of look.
A natural look.
Okay.
I thought you did. It's okay.
Yeah, this was not as easy as it seems.
It's never as easy as it seems.
But you look gorgeous.
Thank you. I tried. If I got some mascara.
I don't see how people do this with lashes. How they even get to the lashes.
I think they don't be doing nothing until they just like, okay, let me just put some powder.
Yeah.
And
I thought about doing that. I thought about just eliminating foundation altogether. Because I do think too that is really important, especially for more mature skin. Because I think it's important to make sure that your skin is in good condition so you can be able to make it out the door in 10 minutes. Because foundation shouldn't be a requirement. It should be a want. You know what I mean? So if I would have cut the foundation out, I probably would have been able to get a little bit further. Yeah.
Good. I like it. I'll take a picture of it. Look, too. No one else is coming out of the room, right?
I dare them to.
Okay.